This is JAVEX boundary wire that's used for a robot lawnmower. This would work pretty much with any of them. It's universal. This has tin copper on the inside, so that's your conductor. It has SupremeShield. That's this green part here. And what this does, this keeps the wire protected basically, because this is in a harsh environment. This is outside, so it keeps the water off of it. You know, UVs and all that stuff won't break this down. This is meant to be outside, so extremely durable wire. The reel itself is 327 feet, so you can really go a long distance. And the nice thing about this is you can expand or, you know, fix maybe a wire that got messed up, but you can expand the capabilities of your robot lawnmower by using something like this. Usually they say, oh, it can only cut in with a certain distance, but you know, then they give you that wire that you can only, well, you can extend it, you know. Yeah, the robot might have to go out a few more times when it cuts, but really you should be able to indefinitely extend those, you know, robot lawnmowers using something like this. Usually this is a little more economical as well. So yeah, this is it. It's JAVEX boundary wire, universal, should work on all brands. And yeah, this is the box it comes in, right here.